If you want to use Drupal easily, let's watch this video and try the Component Builder module. Start from a blank website on Drupal 9. Then install Component Builder module by Composer. It requires two modules: Inline Entity Form and Entity API. Enable Component Builder and Component Builder Toolbar modules. Let's do some settings before using it. Very simple. Redirect to the Builder page. Checkbox allows you to directly visit the Builder page on editing content. Choose some component you want to use from the Extendable Components library. You can see that we provided 60 component types and are still creating more. We also provided the tutorial for any developer to build their own component in a new module by extending the Component Builder plugin. The last configuration is adding the component field to the content type or entity you want to. For example, let's try with the basic page to make building homepage, landing page, about us page become an easy stuff. Continue with adding a page. For example, here is a homepage. You are immediately redirected to the Builder UID with the drag and drop UI to add, edit, delete, review, order the components. Try to add a slideshow first with adding the title, select the component type, add a few slideshow items. Save the component, then we have a slideshow. We can preview it in the Builder UI. We can preview it, drag and drop to reorder or move it to another region. And this is the result in the detail page. Now back to the Builder UI to add more components. We can add a simple component with a few items, something like a paragraph. We can add a carousel component with a few items too. Component Builder allows the developer to build the component with a preset of options, properties, styles and markups. The user can keep it default or select what they want. Or an operating hour table style component with 7 days in a week. Or a table component with a few columns. Or a quote style component with a few testimonials. Continue with another component. Let's visit the settings page. Find the simple map component, then enable it. Unfortunately, this component requires geolocation and Google Map API modules. Let's install and enable geolocation and Google Map API. Config for Google Map API. Now back to the Builder UI to add the map component with some location items. And you have the map component very easy. And see how it's on the detail page. Let's preview all components we added in the Builder UI. Last but not least, we provided many more component types on Drupal coding standard for any extent, customize, override, style, and so on. We are still creating more component types to enrich the library. Component Builder also allows Drupal developers to build their own component types easily. Please follow the guide in the Component Builder project on Drupal.org. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the Component Builder module makes you use Drupal more.